Hey kids, what if you could go outside and it was raining candy? I mean, you just go outside and open your mouth. Ah, boom. That was an M&M. Ah, boom. That was Skittles. Ah, boom. Ow. That was a Snickers bar. Don't you hate it when that happens? Okay, Woody, it's Kia G. Woody. Well, if all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. I'd stand aside with my mouth open wide going, ah, 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 ah. I wouldn't mind if the sun would never shine. I'd keep on hoping for raindrops all the time. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. And what if you went outside and it was snowing? And you open your mouth and popcorn. Oh man, that had salt on it. That had butter. Oh man, that was a milkshake. Don't you hate it when that happens? All right now. If all the snowflakes were popcorn and milkshakes, oh, what a snow it would be. I'd stand aside with my mouth open wide going, ah, 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 ah. I wouldn't mind if the sun would never shine. I'd keep on hoping for snowflakes all the time. If all the snowflakes were popcorn and milkshakes, oh, what a snow it would be. Well, that's it for today, kids. Oh, one more thing. Skid-a-ma-rinky-dinky-dink, skid-a-ma-rinky-doo. I love you. I really mean it. I love you until the next time. I love you. Marty, get over here and clean up this place. Hey kids, what if you could just... Hey kids! Hey kids! Don't you hate it when that happens?